Who is it?
It's the sassy cat. Oh, is this the sassy cat?
Yay!
I opened all these presents. I opened the presents.
You
Yeah.
can open these presents. Yay!
The sassy cat.
I knew it.
Benji, open the one with red and white stripes.
Yeah.
Right in front of you, right there.
I guess.
No, right. Help him.
I guess here.
That's the one.
I wonder what the pistol present.
This one says from Grandma.
It's the sassy cat. I finally have it.
What Benji get?
Oh, Benji, what are you getting?
It's Buzz Daddy. It's Buzz Daddy.
Yay!
Whoa!
Look there.
We open it. I want to open the pig pillow pet now.
What?
Mommy, don't press it. Well, I don't want you to press it.
Okay, I'll let you press it.
Can you press it, Benji?
Claire, stop. We haven't even looked at Buzz yet. You're getting
So,
carried
I
away.
want you to open this.
Wait,
Dad.
calm down. Do you want to
What's Buzz say?
in a minute and then have
I
nothing to
want
open?
you to open this.
Okay, I'll open.